To change language in ElevenLabs, you just need to go to your homepage and then click on text-to-speech here at the left side. Now here, for example, you're trying to change the language of one voice. For example, I have the voice of Hale here. So let's say I want to change the language of this voice here. You can just go to the bottom left and you can see the previews here of the voices or the languages that this voice can do. So here, you can only see 3 languages here. That means Hale can only do 3 languages. All right. So if you're not, you can't really see the language here that you want to use. So what you can do is just click on the voice here and then just explore any of the voices here that has that language that you want. So for example, I'm looking for the language French. So click on this languages option here. Now look for French here. This one, click on that. Then you can see all of the voices here that has the language for French. But since I don't have Hale doesn't have the language for French, you need to change the voice of Hale to another one that has the language of French. All right. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, Adam, and then there you go. If you try and see the language here, let's see the preview.
Le clone le plus professionnel.
So you can see, you heard that, it's French. And that's it.